Andrew?
Mom, how did you even know I was here? You went in my room?
You think that's bad? Tomorrow morning, I'm cleaning it. Oh, by the way, Heath, I didn't get a chance to tell you that was a lovely solo last week at church.
Thank you. We're out of here.
I hope it wasn't something I said. Well, Andrew, shall we?
You just humiliated me in front of my friends. I'm not going anywhere with you.
Fine.
What are you doing?
I'm staying for the show. I'm dying to see what all the fuss is about. Excuse me, waitress. I'll have a glass of your house Chardonnay. I'm curious, Andrew, as you fantasize about this woman, do you ever stop and think how she came to be on this runway? That's someone's little girl. And that someone probably had a lot of dreams for her. Dreams that did not include a thong and a pole.
It's not gonna work, okay? I'm not budging.
God only knows what she's had to deal with in her life. Abject poverty, drugs, domestic violence, maybe even molestation.
Mom!
And now she treats herself the way other men treat her, like an object, a piece of meat.
That does it. Kid, get her out of here.
She's killing it for the rest of us.
I'm dying to see what all the fuss is about. I'm dying to see what all the fuss is about.
It's not gonna work, okay? I'm not budging. It's not gonna work, okay? I'm not budging.
That does it. Kid, get her out of here. That does it. Kid, get her out of here.